Mom here at home says don't ever forget. Don't ever forget about living in your car. Don't ever forget about all the people that said this wouldn't work. Don't ever forget about your kids being taken from you and you being called a deadbeat dad. Don't ever forget about being falsely arrested and my one phone call to jail was to Larry and Kay. They did my group for me while I was in jail. I made executive director from jail. Don't ever forget about all the talks with Michael Dorsey. Thank you for your friendship. Don't ever forget about your first group school with Bill Stovall. Don't ever forget about all the trainings with people like Larry Smith and Steve Milia. Don't ever forget about the trainings in Myrtle Beach with Brian Carruthers and Elizabeth Garner. And to my wife, my kids, Haley, Madison, McKenzie. I love you guys very much, and I will never give up because of you. God bless everyone, and don't ever forget.